Ka Sarkar Jela kala buthaya ka tanat pulit bakan register case pyrshah ya Director General of Police DGP ka Jela ulajar Ram Bisnoy. Uban sa syang no ka khat khandai tarik minta ubnai hadien ka jing ujor ejahar pyrshah ya halor ka jing kenok pendan kambian da number plate thok ya ka kali jong u. Ya kanela penpau da usembut Menteri Rangba ka Jela uba kemi ya ka tanat kampo ying polis uba Presiden Tensong ha ka shipau tarik jemang da ka boong ru bakaan kan le ya ka badan kam bat ba ka jing tok ke halor ka ne ka jing shah ujor ejahar kalaya syakman. Habakren Syllad pathai khubor uba Tensong ula ongru nilayok pediang ya ka ejahar ha ka janmit jong ka khandai tarik menta ubnai ha ka bay de ka jing penan kam dau number plate thok. Kumta mentala register case bat ka jing tok ket kelas dang mentahi. Kumta ailat ba ka jing tok ket kan sedang bat ba ka an kan le hi ya ka badan kam. Lakban kedau ba ka ne ka ejahar pyrshah ya une DGP kadai ka bala ujor da uhe pulit MPS Barim uba batru kupmu Inspector General AIG uba GK yang rai halor ka jing keno ba une uhe du pulit ulale ya ka kambian bat ka kam thok kam syukor da ka ba pendan kam da ka kali ka bala pendai da number plate thok. Ha ka te ka jing ujor ejahar la keno ba DGP ula pendan kam da ka wei ka kali Kia Carnival limousine ka bala pendai ya number ML02A 0001 ubedai number jong ka kali verna bala thiet da katanat sarkar ya ka bala penyeng ha central workshop. Habakali uba preston ula ongru ya mentahi ngamla ban ong e halor kani ka benta namar sisin bala ujor ejahar ni haban shipkam bar ka jing tok ket kadang syusdang menta. Nalor kata ula ongru bawai bala dap ban register case bat hadin bala penlong ya ka jing tok ket ni haban file da ka affidavit shah ka ying bishar halor ka kaipot ka babnya ka bami na ka jing tok ket. Kumtaru ngin sayo ya ka jingtip ka bapura ling bakaray jo ka ying bishar.
Relating to that fake number plate or something, so now the case has been registered and the investigation has just started. So please give space, let the investigation be on, and thereafter let the law takes it. So how can I predict or how can I say anything like that? But for us, our duty is what? When FIR was filed, we need to attend to this, and the attention of the government has been drawn. That's what I'm telling you. We have already registered. And then the investigation has just started. This investigation has just started. Okay, that is the action right now. Investigation has just started. See that, as I said to you now, don't ask that question, because see, me or you, we cannot come to a conclusion, because see, once we register. As I said to investigation, after investigation we have to again file affidavit to the court about the detailed investigation that we made. I tell you, we'll be able to know exactly when the court says yes, this is wrong or this is right.